this is our damage assessment before we start cleaning up good. We got that tree there, it's gonna have to come down. It's uprooted some. It's all kinds of broken limbs and everything here. Just, you know, debris and garbage there. Our dam over here, it's completely washed away. One little piece of concrete keeping the entire pond from just completely draining out back down to its original natural size. Of course, the water level's up high. Shockingly enough, most of these trees over here did really well. The Jenny running, keep the refrigerator going. We'll be out of gas sometime this evening with that. Curfew still in effect. Ooh, a little egret down there. Taking advantage of the raised water. Still beauty in all this. What's up, buddy? I'll leave you be. All right. 3 cedar trees in there. They dominoed onto the house. If you look right there, our capping's gone. Somewhere up there's another piece that come loose that Maddie found. I was able to get my hands on. We were able to jump out there and grab the metal as it was flying around. So we've got it to put back on. But all of these are gonna have to be cleaned up. Pretty good sized cedars. Let me cut through here. Oh, spider webs. Poor bananas. Destroyed. Seed starting area. Pretty messed up, but was anticipating that. This is where we're gonna start work first. Poor chickens. Chickens and rabbits had a time. Building fared pretty well. What we got? Pine trees down everywhere. Electric fence crushed all the way around. See one of our cranky roosters in there wanting out. Smaller chicken coop destroyed. We've got cut all this down here in just a minute. I'm gonna go get the chainsaw and get the fuel and get ready. Trees cut through right here. Smashing that side. We got these down here, and you actually look right there, that one leaning and that one leaning. They're half uprooted. We'll have to cut them down. Surprisingly enough, neighbors' houses look pretty good. Top of that oak broke. I just noticed that. Don't have but a little bit down right there. And back here to the pigs. They had a time. Whole back fence got obliterated. Yeah, the expected small debris everywhere. Front fence fared well. Yeah, I'm gonna feed y'all. Had to catch them twice in the hurricane. Get them back in there and get their little area secured. Barn actually did really good. There is a tree on it, but just one. or at least one that I saw. And that's this one right here. You see, it's laying on the pig shelter and up into the barn. There you go. Feed them first before I walk in here because it's the only way to keep them quiet. They're shaking up, but okay. But their shelter's about half destroyed. Still keeps the rain off, but trees on it. Got to completely redo the fence again. We just got it put in. Me and Teresa did it. Yeah, you can see everything's coming loose. I had to get that closed off. I just noticed that spot. Keep them from escaping. We got this tree up. This tree up. Ooh. And my big oaks back here is down. Okay, that tree up. Yeah, that's salvageable though. A lot of work with a chainsaw, but it's salvageable. Oh man. Dry creek bed's filling up. That's right on my fence line. Let's see. All right, so it's just our 180-foot run we got to completely rebuild. That tree's got to go. Tree's got to go. Man. Ooh, we got something down over here. Let's see. Following around the hog pen. Yep, more oak. A little more damage back here than I was expecting. Water level's definitely up. Fence still looks like survived this for the most part. Oh, that tree down. That's what it was. One of the live oaks right there. Some branches. Well, all of this is where the muscadine vines grow. And I was wanting to clean it up a little bit. It looks like God wanted it cleaned up a lot, so there's that. All right. I have to get to that eventually, but it's not definitely important. All right. Let's see if I can make it back through here without stepping in any big mud holes. Yep. See, we got a pile of trees to work on. A pile of trees to work on. Hopefully these gals and gals right here won't vacate the premises again. It's actually a little terrifying when they're out here running the open field in the middle of a hurricane. You feel for your animals. But that's where we're at right now. Let me let you go.